Hey, welcome to the Bitcoin Bull. Today we're going to take a look and see what Bitcoin is doing. We're not going to go over any news today because I want to just do an analysis, a technical analysis on Bitcoin, because there are still people thinking that Bitcoin is going to drop even more. And I think that's very unlikely. I just saw another indicator showing that Bitcoin should continue to go up. We've been going up for a couple of days now. Well, we're still on the floor, but here, let's go ahead and dive in. Let's look at the hour chart. I want to explain, I want to make it clear, make sure that all my subscribers understand what's going on with Bitcoin and understand that we're on the floor here and we're starting to get off the floor. Bitcoin is starting to show signs of not going down anymore and starting to show a bearish upward trend. So I'll explain why. First of all, if you find this video interesting, if you can please give me a like, I would really appreciate that. That will help grow the channel. And also hit that subscribe button if you want to stay up to date on what Bitcoin is doing every day and what it should be doing next several days, weeks, and months from now, and the most important Bitcoin news, when there is news. So let's go ahead and get started. So yesterday we were at the making of this video. We were around here. We were in this area here. Yeah, we did a triple floor. So Bitcoin hit this orange line here, this support line. This is the floor of Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been trying, well, it's been on the ground for 2 months now. And now it was trying to break ground. It hit here. And then the next day, it hit here, double floor, which normally after double floor, Bitcoin rises, and then it hit again. So 3 times, 4 times. And I said when it hits this corner, there's a downward facing triangle. I said when there's a downward facing triangle, when Bitcoin hits the tip of the triangle here, then most likely Bitcoin will go up once it breaks out, and that's exactly what happened. Bitcoin went up. When there's an upward facing triangle, then the most likely situation, once it hits the tip of the triangle, then Bitcoin would go down. But since it was downward facing, I knew that Bitcoin would most likely go up. So that's what happened. And another indicator, and that's more clear now, is that recently all the dips are higher than the previous dip. So this is the lowest dip. Then the next one was a little higher. The next one was a little higher. And so on and so forth. Now this one's higher, and now depends on what happens to Bitcoin now in the next couple of hours. It's still taking a dip, but it looks like it's stopping. It's leaving a little wick right here, showing that it's that it might not drop anymore. But as you can see, there's like we draw a line here. You see there's a upward bullish tendency, so that's a very good sign. And same thing with these maximums here. There's like this tendency that's going up. So that's another sign that Bitcoin should not be going down anymore. This is the floor, and that we're bouncing off this floor, and that Bitcoin should continue going up. This isn't 50-50 chance. This analysis, technical analysis, is the fine indicator showing what Bitcoin should be doing, and everything is pointing to Bitcoin going up. And there's another indicator here, which I wanted to show, which I just noticed, that there's a diamond formation. When that happens, that means Bitcoin should go up. So here, let me show you. Let me draw in some lines here. Where are they? Oh, here it is here. No, here. Gray. Let's put in a different color. Here, let's put in this color to make it different. So here, we draw in this line here to hit those maximums. For example, like this. Yeah, hitting this wick here, hitting these candlesticks here, and then another one going this way. So hitting this candlestick here and working our way up. For example, this looks good, hitting these wicks. Okay, and now going the other way. So we have, so this is like the new channel we're in right now, as you can see. So we're doing this. We're going up, down, hitting this channel, going up, down, hitting the top of it, hitting the bottom of it. Most likely, we'll be doing something like this the next several days, staying in this channel. Okay, if it breaks, if we break below this channel here, then Bitcoin could hit the floor again, which could very well happen. And I don't think it's as likely to break above it because Bitcoin is pretty. It took a big hit and it's been on the floor for a couple months now, so I don't think it'll skyrocket yet. But if it does break here, we can quickly hit this tendency line here. But most likely Bitcoin will remain in this channel here. And what I wanted to show is there's this triangle formation. So here we go. You can see here, and now there's another dip here, another tendency line here. Okay, and another one here from this candlestick here down to here. This one actually we can move it this way. You can see more clearly. You see that? This top part of the channel here, this bottom part of the channel here, and then we have this tendency here. The bottom part, this channel, Bitcoin was moving in this bearish downward trend here. Okay, but then it hit the bottom of this diamond, working the way up to the tip here, and it broke out. When this diamond formation forms, that means that Bitcoin should start going up, and that's what it did. It broke, Bitcoin broke here out of the diamond. So that's why I'm thinking that Bitcoin should remain in this channel here, going up, making this bullish run that will take Bitcoin off the floor, and working its way up this way. That's what everything is showing. So there is a slight chance that Bitcoin could do something like this here. Let me put it in the middle here and zoom in a little bit. We'll zoom out. So there is a slight chance that Bitcoin could break out of this diamond, could break out of this channel, hit the floor again, and then break it. If that happens, it should hit 30,000, and it could hit all the way down. It could hit all the way down here to 29,000 if that happens. But if that happens, I think it'll be really quick. Something like what happened here. You know, just a few hours. Do something like that before going up again. But that's, this is all we're with this technical analysis. What I'm trying to do is find percentages, possibilities, and there's more. I'm seeing more possibilities, more chances of Bitcoin being in here, going up, than anything else. So I wanted to make that clear. I wanted to, to also calm everyone down. If you've been buying in lately, perfect. But don't get scared. Don't get worried that you're gonna lose money. Be patient. Hold your Bitcoin. If you haven't bought in yet, my opinion is that this is an excellent time to buy because this is clearly the floor and clearly showing signs that Bitcoin is starting to turn around and should start going up and working its way up, start breaking all of these resistance lines, and to then skyrocket once we break this very important resistance line here. Once we break here, I think Bitcoin's going to skyrocket because here we'll see that Bitcoin is off the floor. Once we get out of this situation here, everyone's going to see that Bitcoin has recuperated. It's off the floor, getting off the floor, and everyone will want to get in the Bitcoin again, and that will make Bitcoin skyrocket. And so that's my opinion on Bitcoin. If you have Bitcoin, hold. If you haven't bought in yet, or you still want to buy some, my opinion is that now's a perfect time. And I will also show you. This is also taking into account that the stock market is on Friday. It took a dip. It's not looking very well, and Bitcoin is still holding on. And also, yesterday the whole crypto market was terrible. Everything in red, and today things have turned around. Almost everything is in green. You can see here. Look at all the cryptocurrencies. There we go. Yeah, almost everything is in green. Everything is in positive. Everything is rising. So the whole crypto market is looking really good. The stock market is not. We'll see what happens on Monday if that changes. So yeah, things are looking good for Bitcoin, and we'll see what happens during the day and tomorrow if Bitcoin continues to stay in this channel, or if it breaks out of it. We'll see what happens. And so that's why every day do analysis, because every day things can change quickly. So this is what Bitcoin looks like at the moment. Things look good. So hope you found this video interesting and helpful. If so, please give me a like and subscribe to stay up to date. And thanks for watching, and see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye.